Hi guys, here is how you can update your PHP version of your WordPress website. So to update the PHP version, let's first find out the current version of PHP. For that, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Tools and Site Health and go to Info. Here you can find lots of information about your server. Click on Server. The current PHP version is 8.1. In order to update the PHP version, we must access the cPanel. To access the cPanel, go to your domain/cPanel and enter the details. If you do not have cPanel, please ask your host. Anyway, we are already in the cPanel. Now search for Select PHP version. This is the one. And now let's choose the new PHP, which is 8.3, and apply. So this will apply to all domains. Please note, if you do not see this option, ask your host. It depends on your hosting. Anyway, let's refresh this. You can see, now our PHP version is 8.3. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.